Hi everybody, I'm back and we're going to jump in and do auto assignments. And auto assignments really help you categorize things much faster in Homebank. So if you set up a few auto assignments, then when you click a button, it will do it for you and you won't have to go through every single transaction. So what we're going to look at is we've already categorized everything in their everyday account. So let's look at their credit card. Now we can see here when we click on Memo and we get it to bring groups of things together, sort by those things, then what we've got is we've got a whole lot of things to pack and save fuel. We've got a whole lot to New World, and we've got some to a bar and grill. But let's choose the ones. First of all, we'll do the New World ones, and then I'll show you how to overwrite with the pack and save, because if we've categorized something to pack and save, but it's pack and save fuel, let's put it to groceries, but we might want it to go to petrol. So let's first of all create a new auto assignment for New World. Now make sure you get the spelling the same and also make sure that you get the formatting the same. So let's just go into that and just copy that so that we get that the same. We go back over to here into Manage and Assignments, and we'll click on a new one. So we'll click on the plus and we'll double click into that and go paste. And we want that one that whenever New World Upper Hut comes into the memo, we want that to be categorized to groceries if that category is already empty. So if it's empty, it gets New World Upper Hut gets categorized to groceries. So we'll close that. We'll go back into our credit card. Now you can have multiple screens open at once, as you can see with what I've done there. We go up to Tools, we go Auto Assignments, and it was already done 3 for us. So those are the 3 New World ones. So now let's recategorize our groceries. So we go back into recategorize our pack and save fuel. So go into Auto Assignments, go into the plus, and we'll just go back in here. Sorry, we'll close that. We'll go back into here. We'll double click on that, highlight that and copy it, and then go back into here, Manage, Assignments, and then double click on that. And we're going to overwrite that with petrol. Okay, so if any time we accidentally categorize pack and save fuel to groceries, it's going to overwrite it with car expenses petrol. So let's close that. Let's go back into our credit card, go up to Tools, Auto Assignments, and it's recategorized our pack and save fuel away from groceries to petrol, but it hasn't picked up pack and save fuel Masterton, so we'd need to recategorize that one ourselves. So we can go in and do that, and we can do this one as well, petrol. Okay, so the next thing that we might want to categorize is rent. Now we haven't got rent on our credit card, but we would put rent in for our everyday account, so we can create a category for rent as well. So again, we just go back in, go Manage, Assignments, and it might take you a few times just to get a hang of what you're going to put up in the search function, rent. And that's because you'll just need to see what's actually coming through in the memo or in the payee. And you might want to do things by payee instead, if that's going to make it more accurate. So then we have 3 now. So whenever we go into one of our accounts and we want to categorize things, we can click on Auto Assignments, and it would automatically do that for us, and it's less manual inputting that we need to do. So we'll leave it there, and we're going to jump back in a minute and show you how to reconcile your account.